Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Sahera Speaks. Today we are making some delicious sugar cookies. These cookies are perfect for the holiday. It's great to get the kids involved with this recipe. It's easy, it's delicious. So, if you want to learn how to make these cookies, keep watching. So you just need basic ingredients. The most that you'll need is to get some colored sprinkles for whatever holiday that is approaching. Today I'm using green and red sprinkles. But you'll need also some confectioner's sugar as well as some granulated sugar. You can find the full recipe in the description below. But before we get into the cookies, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Now let's get into these cookies. I'm going to first start off by creaming my butter. Once my butter is creamed, I'm going to add both of my sugars. I'll let that mix until it's nice and light, and then I'll scrape my bowl. And now I'm going to add my egg and my vanilla, and I'll combine that as well. Now I'm just adding my baking powder to my flour. I'm going to give that a quick whisk, and then I'm going to add that to my batter and combine. And this is just a basic cookie recipe. Most cookies are made like this, creaming our butter and our sugars, adding our egg and flavoring, and then adding our flour. So now that our dough is ready, we're going to scoop it out with our ice cream scoop. And I'm using a small scooper. So you just want to scoop, and this is why I love an ice cream scoop, because it allows you to have uniform cookies, right? So I just press in my dough, I clean around the edge of the ice cream scooper, and then I drop it on the paper. So here I'm using a half sheet baking pan lined with parchment paper, and I'm just going to scoop out the dough until I fill a pan. This recipe actually gives you roughly 2 dozen cookies. Each ball of dough I'm just rolling into a nice ball. It's an extra step, but this is when this recipe really works well with kids. You can get the kids to help you. So now I'm going to use my red sprinkles, put it in a bowl, and I just want to toss my dough into the sprinkles so it's nicely covered. So again, you can use any color sprinkle you like. You know, if it was Halloween or Thanksgiving, you can maybe use a green or a red. For Easter, you can use pastel colors, even though pastel colors don't show as brightly. And now I'm using the green. And I left 4 balls of dough plain. And I'll show you why I left them plain in just a minute. So now I'm taking the bottom of a glass. You want any flat surface, and I'm just pressing down gently until the cookie stops giving. I don't want to apply so much pressure that it's so flat. So now that I've pressed all my cookies down, now it's time to bake these cookies off. You can bake them in a 375 oven for about, I would say 10 to 12 minutes. If you want a nice delicate cookie, 10 minutes is a good place to take them out. But if you want a crispier cookie, a harder cookie, then I would say about 12 minutes. And these are the cookies out the oven. And this is great. I used to send my kids to school with these cookies when they would have their holiday parties. It's easy. You can get the kids involved. So this is one reason I love this recipe. So now my plain cookies, I'm just going to, I melted down some chocolate, and I'm just going to cover like half the cookie in chocolate. We roll the dough in sanding sugar. If you had more of a sprinkle, like the sprinkles you see on ice cream, This is a good way to add those sprinkles to this chocolate while the chocolate is wet. Here I'm just adding some nuts. So at this stage, you could add whatever you want. Again, I had some pecans, so I'm just adding some pecans. Here I'm just drizzling some chocolate and I'm adding some coconut to it. So you can be as creative as you like. And you can just leave these cookies on the sheet pan until the chocolate dries. You can pop it in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes and then the cookies will lift right up off your pan. So that's it, guys. Sugar cookies that are delicious and easy to make and perfect for any holiday. If you have any comments about this video, drop them in the comments section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on another great baking video. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.